And yes, in the last section, what we have done, we have seen the containerization process of Clang. So if I just go back to my lecture number 6, and you can see here what we have done is we took one example of Clang, and by introducing Dockerfile, we have done the containerization process. This particular video is for Java developers. If you have your Java code and you want to containerize your Java application like compiler based, so how you can do that? Okay, just to understand in a more better way, on the last lecture we have seen, if we have some code, we need to build, integrate with Dockerfile, and we need to give a build instruction. Okay, so you have code, you have to integrate with Dockerfile and do the build, then you get the image, and from that image you can create container. Okay, there are some most important instruction that you can go through one by one, that what is the use of particular instruction. So this time let me take example of Java. So this is my Java code. Either I can take this, or maybe I can simply take this example and let me clone it to my terminal. So here I'm cloning the git clone, and I got this. So I'm going in Java Lang folder, and here I have this test.java. Okay, what I have to do, if I have some code, so it's a very much standard practice that if you have some code, doesn't matter in which language it is, you have to write your own Docker file. Okay, then you have to send one instruction to your Docker engine, and that is your build instruction. Okay, so I'm sending, but let me write it down. So first, using from Java maintainer my email address, creating one directory with /code, and then copying test.java to /code directory by the name of same. Then I'm changing my directory to /code, and then I'm compiling Java code test.java, and I'm running this compiled code, Java space and the class name. If you see, what is your class name? That is my class. Okay, you might already have that idea that how to exactly run Java application. So this is compilation process, and so I'm already in the directory. Okay, so if you compare this with this instruction file, from means it will take or search image from Docker Hub, maintainer your email ID or some information, copy from host to container, same for add, run, and work there, cmd. Okay, so now I'm saving this and do docker build -c Java version 1 and dot. So Java information, and this is the code that I am actually building it, and it will download the image first. After that, it will give me one image. So if you can just look at that code, that image, Docker file, I'm doing build to get the image, and from that image I can do run instruction to create a container. So here, if I check, I have not images, I have this Java one. So Docker run -d -name x1 Java Viva. Okay, I don't have to give any a kind of process, because whatever we write as a cmd, it will become default process. So Docker ps, and I can say by Docker logs -f x1. Yeah. Okay, that's it for this lecture. See you in the next. Thank you so much.